In today's marketplace, it is critical to give your customers hassle-free online buying experiences. One of the biggest bottlenecks in apparel decoration is the art approval process, and GraphicsFlow solves this problem. Often clients come to you with screen grabs, graphics they designed online, or images from places like Etsy and Google searches. That requires you to reconstruct the artwork, which is time-consuming and inefficient. Here's how GraphicsFlow eliminates that headache completely. The GraphicsFlow Art Portal can be embedded into your website or utilized as a standalone web portal. You can also embed the portal into your social media or an email campaign. Your sales team can direct clients to the portal to select their artwork. You can also use the portal as a sales lead generator for new clients. Your clients can search a massive collection of on-trend retail graphics, clip art, and fonts. Once they've selected their graphics, they can submit a design request. The request comes into your GraphicsFlow account as a design request. You get a lead that initiates the sales process with the new client, or you complete the art selection for an existing client. Simply download the graphics file and easily edit the production-ready files in CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator. Once you've made the changes, you can upload the modified designs and mock-ups to your My Art section in GraphicsFlow. My Art creates high-resolution previews of popular graphics formats and embroidery files. The files are safely and securely stored in the cloud, so anyone on your team can access the files along with the production data. You and your team can also tag the files with keywords for searchability. To send finished graphics to your client, simply convert it to an art approval, subscribe your client to the approval, and they will get an email with a link to view the content, comment, and approve. You will be notified in the app and via email with any comments or confirmation of the approval. The client is required to click through your terms and conditions before approving. All of the communication on the project is archived with the art approval. Art Portal reduces the need for custom artwork, keeps your clients from finding your competitors, and expedites the art selection, giving you more lead time. Most importantly, it accelerates the sales process. Your team has access to the industry's premier collection of production-ready art, including clip art, cutting-edge fonts, and interactive design templates. New graphics are added every month that corresponds to the buying season, an endless supply of fresh ideas to power your sales team. GraphicsFlow transforms the graphics workflow into a powerful tool to grow your business and increase your bottom line. Graphics are the currency of our industry. Companies with better graphics are positioned to better succeed in the marketplace. GraphicsFlow is your ticket to increased graphics efficiency, customer retention, and new client acquisition. Book your free personalized tour today at GraphicsFlow.com.